If you are looking to add custom fonts to your Kajabi landing pages and you are finding it very difficult to do, this video is just for you. Hi, my name is Hitesh Kumar, and here are the steps that you need to follow in order to use custom fonts in your Kajabi landing pages. So the first option is for those users who have custom code ability in their Kajabi account. Let's say they have Pro account or they have Founder account and they can edit the code inside their Kajabi account. So to do that, you need to have this code from here. Let me zoom in, it'll make more sense. Copy this code. Now go to your Kajabi. We are using custom font page to add custom font to. And we will click on these three dots and we'll click on modify code. It will open up just like this. And the first thing that you need to do is to click on templates. Click on index.liquid. And here at the very top, make some space and type style tag. And paste the code that you just copied from the help center. So you have font name, font file, and all sort of things. First thing, you need to name your font. So we will call it custom. And we will apply this to H1 tags only. So we have already H1 tag and font family. It should be custom. And then you need to click on save. And after that, you need to upload the TTF type font file into the assets folder. And then you will select the file from your computer or wherever it is, and you will upload this. After uploading the font file, you need to update the file name in the source of font face. For that, you need to type this. In between the quotes mark, you need to type the file name of the font. In this case, which is custom.ttf, and keep it as it is. And then you need to type important in front of it with an exclamation mark in front and hit save. We will preview this and see how it looks like. So we have custom font running in here. So that's how you can add custom font to your Kajabi if you have code editor. And the second option is for those users who don't have access to the code editor. For that, you just need to copy this code that I just created, or you can take it from the Kajabi Help Center as well, and come to the customizing area of the page and click on add content and click on custom code. Simply paste the code we just created or from the Kajabi Help Center, and in place of URL, remove this from here and save this for now, and click on add content and add a call to action button. Click on button action and then click on download a file. Pick a file, upload the font. It's uploaded. Click save. Preview this. And then from the call to action button, right click on it and click on copy link address. Come back to your editor and now you can delete the call to action button. Go to the custom code and paste the URL in between these quote marks. And now this should be done. Click on save and that's it. So that's basically how you can add custom font to your Kajabi landing pages even if you don't have the custom code ability in your Kajabi account. And that's it for now. And if you want to have more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Thank you.